And welcome back. We've got a winter storm on our hands, and winter storm warnings continuing for the northern mountains and also up in the San Juans in Colorado. We could easily see 3 feet of snow in some of these higher elevated areas in Colorado, as much as a foot of snow in some of our northern mountain areas. Also for the Northeast, winter weather advisories continuing through Monday morning. Not all that active right now. Matter of fact, our most active area is probably the southwestern corner of Colorado, but we are spitting a few snowflakes up into towards Angel Fire. If you're with us earlier, we did show you video from earlier, and also up towards Durango. We're seeing some flurries, and also down towards the San Diego Manzanos, definitely seeing a few flurries down there as well. So here's what's going on. The core of the storm right now is spinning right about in this general area, right around Salt Lake City, and it's making a beeline for the Four Corners. So by tonight, you're going to see this into the Four Corners. So that's the status of the storm right now, is spinning over the northern portion of Utah, and the timing on this is bringing it in, of course, now through Monday. Of course, tonight we'll see the core of the storm moving in the Four Corners. And what to expect, of course, cold temperatures, heavy mountain snows. And again, we're going to talk a little bit about some of those areas that we'll see the biggest snow amounts. Also, icy interstates, 25 and 40, will be a bit of a problem, especially on the back end of the storm. And I'll explain why. We've got a 30% bust potential on this. Still a little high. I think that the storm is going to pan out. The question is, what's going to happen as we head into tomorrow evening and Monday? And I'll explain right now. What we know is going to happen, more than likely will happen anyways, the storm will head on into the Four Corners this evening. So tonight through tomorrow, we'll see mainly snow showers north of 40 and moving west to east with those snow flurries. And then Sunday, the focus is really going to be moving the east and also the northern mountains. We'll see light to moderate snow accumulation for the northeast and east central areas. But here's the kicker, and one of the reasons why we're a little iffy on what this storm is going to do. The backside of the storm is really going to linger through Monday. The question is, how close will it linger to New Mexico? And the closer it gets, the more snow we're going to see pile up against the east slopes of the central mountain chain. So just giving you a rundown of what you can expect: 48 inches around Durango, 8 to 16 in Silverton to Wolf Creek. So these are going to be some big areas. 48 around Chama, Tierra Maria will see a good amount as well. So some of these areas up north definitely going to see the bulk of the snow. 6 to 12 around Red River, Eagle Nest, and Angel Fire. And then down south, we'll see light accumulation to 1 to 4 inches around Santa Fe, the San Diego Manzanos. Already seeing a little bit of a dusting there. The 2 to 4 inches out around the northeastern plains from Clayton to Tucumcari. There's your numbers. Cold to the north, a little bit milder down towards the south. So taking a look at the numbers for tonight, we'll drop in the 20s and 30s. Tomorrow's highs, not much warmer, unfortunately. We're going to see a good day of cold weather and a good chance for some snow flurries. 30s in Angel Fire, 40s Tucumcari. Meanwhile, down south, where we're not going to be hit so much with the storm, it's mainly going to be north of 40. Highs will be in the 70s around Artesia, Carlsbad, and Hobbs. As far as what you're going to see in the East Mountains tonight, so of course we'll drop in the 20s and 30s. Tomorrow's highs in the 40s. The East Mountains back off into the metro area. It's going to be a little bit chilly tomorrow. We're looking for highs generally in the 40s. Quick look at the 7-day forecast for you. Here you go. It's looking like it's going to be a stormy one for tomorrow, then quieting down as we head into the beginning of next week. There you go, Santa Fe. We'll be warming up towards the middle of the week, so tomorrow's going to be kind of stormy for us.
Okay. Thank you, Travis.